Hello and welcome to my new course, Adobe XD for Dummies. As we know, IT industry is very competitive nowadays. The number of IT and IT-enabled service companies are increasing day by day. All these organizations are competing each other to get more good customers or clients and also projects. And they all know that the key to impressing a customer is by helping him materialize the new project idea or a dream that he is having in his mind. We need to do this quickly and effectively to bag the final contract of the project before anybody else do it. Prototyping is a technique which enables us to create mock screens. Even if it's for a mobile application or a website, we can create screens that will look like how the customer wants it to be. These screens will not be having any functionality, but they are interactive. There are many prototyping tools out there and almost all of them are very time consuming and complex to use. But recently, the company Adobe has developed a very easy to use tool called XD. They call this application as Experience Design. It have a very simple interface which is very easy to use, and it help you in creating stunning prototypes for your customers' new project very easily and very quickly. You can even use it for creating prototypes for your personal projects also. This tutorial is a crash course about how you can start using Adobe XD for your project prototyping. In the first session, we will see how you can download and install Adobe XD into your computer. By the way, Adobe XD is a freeware, that is a free application you can download and use without having to pay anything to the company. And then in the next session, we will have a quick overview about the Adobe XD application's user interface, the different parts of the screen, the menu items, tools, etc. Then we will proceed with managing the artboards in Adobe XD, which is where we are creating our individual screen designs. Just like other prototype design softwares, XD also will be using a concept of layers while prototyping. We will deal with layers in the next session, and then in the next step we will proceed with basic things like creating basic shapes, manipulating the properties of those shapes like that, and then we will try with different text editing options. We will also play with colors and gradient color combinations. And to make the design more attractive and natural, we can use the various blurring and shadows options available. We can create duplicate elements, rotate, resize, align, and do other translations and transitions using Adobe XD. Also, it features Boolean operators like adding, subtracting, or, XOR, and like that. And later we will see how we can import assets like images and how we can apply mask to images or elements. And also we will try shape editing and pen tool to create custom shapes other than the ones that are predefined in the application. As you all know, repetition or repeating things is a very time consuming thing while designing screens. Adobe XD solves this by using a feature called repeat grids, which we can use to repeat things inside a grid. And also we will see different export options available. And then we will see prototyping, which is a step in Adobe XD. By using this, we can link different screens by creating hotspots in the screen, and customers can or users can interact with these hotspots to navigate through the screens. We will also see how we can include additional plugins into your Adobe XD application to increase the capacity or the capability of the application to do different things and adding additional functionality to Adobe XD. And then we will try to quick projects. We will try to design a quick and easy mobile chat application at first. We will be making use of sample Adobe XD document called UI kits available from the Adobe XD website, and we can reuse these components to create our app design quickly and effectively. It's very useful while you try to create an application as fast as possible. Our chat mobile application will be having a splash screen which transitions automatically to the login or the register screen. Then later we will design a chat listing screen where all the chats will be listed, and also a conversation screen for individual chats. We will also create an overlay menu just like the mobile apps are having nowadays, and also link together these screens using the prototyping options available. And after our mobile design, we will go ahead with designing a simple website. We will be designing a university website. We will first create a home screen. Here also we will be using the UI elements from the UI kit that we downloaded. Then we will create an about us screen to have the contents, and also a contact us screen where the user can include the details and send it to the university. And after finishing the screens, we will link them together using the prototyping options so that the user can interact with the links in the website. So overall, this is a quick and easy crash course which enables you to learn Adobe XD in a few hours. This will be a really good starter course for you if you are trying to learn Adobe XD. There will also be a course completion certificate provided at the end of this course to you to include in your portfolio. So get ready to create stunning prototypes using Adobe XD and impress your clients. See you soon in the classroom. Have a great time. Bye bye.